What is this? I don't even know the time. November 11th, the year of our coronavirus-filled world, 2020, Lord. I'm in Phnom Penh, Cambodia. They just had a super spreader event, possibly 2 nights ago, where this is happening. I need to somehow get there eventually when these go off. So on their Independence Day, but now they're throwing out more fireworks. I don't know if this is the end of it. Was it a 3-day stint versus the French? Well, that looks cool. Didn't get notified. I think it is 7 o'clock here in Cambodia. So beautiful. Very nice. Lovely.